Avocado versus banana hair mask. I used one on each side of my hair and the results surprised me. Which one actually softens 4C hair better, avocado or banana? For this experiment, I am using bananas, avocado, rosemary oil, a knife, a spoon, a blender, and some water. So I'll start with the banana mask. I used one banana and half because two bananas honestly would be too much. I add it to the blender and blend. If you notice it's too thick, just add a little water and keep blending until it is smooth. And then I will also be adding my rosemary oil. Add enough. I think just enough is relative. You add what you feel is enough for you. If you notice it's too thick, just add a little water and keep blending until it's smooth. So you add, then you mix that up and just keep on blending. Once it's ready, we transfer it to a container and make sure that you're scooping everything. Next is the avocado mask. I used 2 avocados, but honestly, 1 avocado would have been more than enough. So we cut it and add it to the blender. You're using a spoon here to scoop because avocado is a bit difficult to scoop without a spoon. Then again, we'll be adding our rosemary oil again. I try and shake it because this rosemary is homemade. That is why you're seeing I'm shaking it a bit. And then after that, we just blend. Again, if it's too thick, add a little water and then continue blending. And of course, scoop everything out because as an African woman, we don't waste anything. If you're enjoying this video so far, please leave a thumbs up. It really helps my channel, guys. So this is how they looked side by side. Once both are blended, that's how they look. Now onto application. I section my hair into 4 parts. You know this, guys. One side of my hair gets the banana mask and the other side gets the avocado mask. I start with the banana side and apply it very generously. Please apply generously, guys. Pretend your hair is a monkey that really wants to eat this banana and you will see that you will really be applying a lot of it. Let every strand get that banana. So quick one for you, banana helps you with the softness and makes detangling much easier. So once I've applied all this, I'll comb through, but you can already see the curls, guys. Can you see the curls it's forming? Remember before I started, my hair was quite dry, if you noticed, and undetangled. And this is a test to see, can it really untangle that? Always use a white toothed comb whenever you're combing your 4C hair. That is the hair that came out. Very little hair if you ask me. And now we go to the back side. Similarly, on the back side, you apply generously and then you comb through. Okay, so some of the FAQs I get on this banana hair mask is, will my hair smell like banana all day? No, unless you forget to rinse it out. It just smells like banana as long as it's on, but once you rinse it off, it doesn't smell like banana. Another one is, can I eat the banana hair mask? No, guys, please don't eat the banana hair mask. Just save it for your hair. It also has oil, like this one has rosemary oil. Don't eat it, guys. And the last one is, can I leave it overnight? No, please. This is not a leave-in conditioner. Just make sure that you've rinsed it out and sleep peacefully without bananas on your hair, guys. And now you can see I am done. Look at how detangled my hair is. This is the only hair that came out. Very, very little hair. So let's look at the avocado. Will it work the same way? Question mark, question mark. Now onto the avocado side. I start by applying it to the first session. Oh my god, this avocado smells so good. I feel like eating it, but don't. Actually, let's speak about some of the FAQs about this avocado. The first one being, can you eat it? No, do not eat the banana hair mask. It has oil also on it, and you don't need to eat this. And then the other thing is, can you leave it overnight? No, we are not leaving this overnight. We are using it right now and then we rinse it out, similarly to the banana one. Then someone else will ask me, will it make my hair green? I know right now my hair looks green, but no, it won't make your hair green. Your hair will still remain black and shiny. One of the benefits of the avocado is that it adds moisture and shine, and so it helps your hair feel much, much stronger. And as you can see now, guys, we are on to the last portion. I am excited because we are finishing. You apply generously and then you comb through. Make sure that every strand is getting this goodness, and so ensure that you're not leaving anything behind. The benefit is that the avocado was more than the banana, so I think maybe I might have been a little bit biased in how my application was, but I felt like I really had more avocados applied on my hair. But look how easy it is to comb that hair. It's very, very easy. The comb is just sliding through, no stress, very, very easy. And that's the hair that I lost. Look at the difference. That is for the banana, that is for the avocado. What do you think so far, guys? I think I lost similar hair, or rather I shed similar hair. If you're enjoying this so far, please don't forget to like and comment which side do you think is already winning. I think so far both are winning, especially since I haven't shed a lot of hair. I think both are winning. And that is how they both look side by side. banana versus avocado. Both feeling very soft, feeling very nice. Once I was done, I put on a shower cap. You can leave this for 30 minutes to 1 hour, but because I was doing other house chores around the house, mine stayed for almost 3 hours. I'm ashamed, but it's okay. Let the hair soak in all that goodness. After that, I went to the shower and rinsed everything out, and this is how the hair came out. Please make sure that you've rinsed everything out. So, and this is how my hair looks after the rinsing. Look at the curls, guys. Look at the avocado side. Look at the banana side. What do you think? Personally, I might be a little biased, but I feel like the avocado side looks slightly cuter. But honestly, both sides look amazing. They both ate. My hair looks full, dark, soft, and very healthy. Let me know in the comment section which one do you think won. Will you be trying the banana or the avocado or both? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.